Hello dear students, today we are going to start the next chapter. The name of the chapter is The Making of a Scientist. From your footprints without feet. And this chapter, The Making of a Scientist, has been written by Robert W. Patterson. This chapter has been written by Robert W. Patterson. This chapter is having a very interesting story about a child who struggles to become a scientist, and I just have given it some points also. Here are some points. Richard H. E. Wright's success at a tender age when he was so small. Next point is Richard E. Wright's childhood. Next point is Richard's mother encouraged him a lot. Actually, Richard's mother's role is very helpful to the boy. Next point is Richard is introduced to the book The Troubles of Monarch X. Next point is Richard raises monarch butterflies. Next point is Richard and his experiences at country science fair. Now I am just going to discuss with you these points in details. Actually, what is there in this chapter? This chapter deals with the struggle of a small child. Richard H. E. Wright's success at the age of tender age. He was so small. The article of Richard and his friend on how cells work was published in a scientific journal. Proceeds. What is the name of that journal? Proceeds of the National Academy of Science. He was merely 22 years of age then. It was the first time that the research work of college students was published in that journal. It was his first big achievement. Dear students, now come to the next point. The next point is Richard's childhood. I am going to explain you. Here, Richard was the only child of his parents who grew up at Reading in Pennsylvania. Since he had no companion actually at that time to play with him, he started collecting things like rocks, fossils, coins, and even butterflies also. Next point is his only comrade was his mother. His only comrade was his mother. Richard's mother encouraged him by talking him too much on the trips and buying him telescope, microscopes and other equipments, and she added him to learn a lot in this field. Next point is, dear students, Richard is introduced to the book. The name of the book is The Trouble of Monarch X. Richard's mother gifted him a children's book entitled The Troubles of Monarch X, which told him how butterflies migrated to Central America. How butterflies migrated to Central America. He became interested in the world of science now, and the book asked the readers to study butterflies migration, and the boy was too happy. He just became acquainted about with the scientist. The name of the scientist was Dr. Urquhart. Dr. Urquhart, through this book, who influenced him very greatly. He was much more influenced by this great scientist. The name of the scientist is Dr. Urquhart. Next point is Richard raises monarch butterflies. Richard was too interested in this and he decided to raise butterflies at home to study their migration pattern. He would catch the female monarch and take her eggs. He would carefully watch all the stages of development of the butterflies. He would tag their wings and free them. He did it for many years and raised thousands of butterflies in the basement of his home. Now students, let us move towards the next point. Next point is the 6 points Richard's experience at country science fair. He displayed his slides of frogs tissue at the country science fair but did not win any award. He just failed. He comprehended the need of to carry out real experiments to win an award. He took suggestions from Dr. Urquhart. As a result, he won several awards at county and international science fairs in the following years. Now, these 6 points I am going to explain you in Hindi. 6 points में divided किया है अभी मैंने इस chapter को, and the name of the chapter is for the 10th class from the book Footprints Without Feet. The name of the chapter is The Making of a Scientist, has been written by Robert W. Patterson. First point is Richard H.E. Bright success at a tender age. बहुत ही छोटी एज पर इन्हें सक्सेस मिली और इन्होंने नेशनल एकेडमी ऑफ साइंस में इनकी जो 22 ईयर्स की एज पर इनकी जो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स हैं और सेल्स वर्क जो है इनका पब्लिश हुआ जर्नल में. द नेम ऑफ द जर्नल वाज प्रोसीडिंग ऑफ नेशनल एकेडमी ऑफ साइंस एंड ही बिकेम फेमस फॉर हिज बिग फर्स्ट अचीवमेंट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज रिचर्ड अपनी मदर पेरेंट्स के एक ही चाइल्ड थे और इनकी जो मदर थी और ये पेनिस्लाविया में बड़े हुए थे. इनकी मदर इनकी एकमात्र कंपेनियन थी और वो इनको हेल्प किया करती थी. बच्चे को किस बात का शौक था? कलेक्टिंग थिंग्स लाइक रॉक्स, फॉसिल्स, कॉइन्स एंड इवन बटरफ्लाइज. एंड ही ऑल्सो लाइक टू लव गेज स्टार्स. उन्हें क्या पसंद था? स्टार्स को घूरना. इनकी मदर इनकी सच्ची साथी थी जो इन्हें अलग अलग तरह के जैसे कि टेलीस्कोप, माइक्रोस्कोप, अदर इक्विपमेंट्स ला कर दिया करती थी ताकि वो और भी ज़्यादा सीखें. रिचर्ड की मदर ने रिचर्ड को एक बुक गिफ्ट की जिस बुक का टाइटल था द ट्रबल्स ऑफ मोनार्च 10, जो कि क्या बताती थी कि जो बटरफ्लाइज हैं माइग्रेट करके सेंट्रल अमेरिका कैसे चली जाती है. और उन्हें बहुत इंटरेस्ट आया. उन्होंने क्या सोचा कि मैं इसके बारे में सर्च करूँगा हाउ द बटरफ्लाइज माइग्रेट. एंड रिचर्ड बिकेम वो जिनसे परिचित थे. क्या नाम था उन डॉक्टर का? साइंटिस्ट डॉक्टर उर्कहार्ट. क्या नेम था? डॉक्टर उर्कहार्ट. और उनसे वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ग्रेटली इन्फ्लुएंस थे. रिचर्ड ने मोनार्च बटरफ्लाइज के बारे में सर्च करने का डिसाइड किया और रिचर्ड ने बटरफ्लाइज को घर में ही माइग्रेशन पैटर्न को जानने के लिए पालना शुरू कर दिया. और उन्होंने जो फीमेल बटरफ्लाइज थी उनके एग्स को ले जाकर घर पर ही रखा और बहुत केयरफुली उनकी हर एक स्टेज को, बटरफ्लाइज के डेवलपमेंट की स्टेज को रीड किया, उसको सर्च किया और उन्होंने उनके जो विंग्स थे उनको भी टैग किया और उनको छोड़ दिया. कई सालों बाद हज़ारों बटरफ्लाइज उनके बेसमेंट में उनके घर में आ गए. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है 6 पॉइंट. रिचर्ड का जो एक्सपीरियंस था एट कंट्री साइंस फेयर वो डिस्क्राइब किया गया है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज उन्होंने स्लाइड्स ऑफ फ्रॉग्स टिश्यूज़ को कंट्री साइंस फेयर में दिखाया लेकिन वो कोई भी अवार्ड नहीं जीत पाए और उन्हें ये अच्छा भी नहीं लगा. लेकिन फिर भी उन्होंने एक एक्सपेरिमेंट किया और उनके एक्सपेरिमेंट आगे जारी रहे. डॉक्टर उर्कहार्ट से सजेशन उन्हें मिलते रहे और फाइनली उन्होंने कई सारे अवार्ड जीते कंट्री लेवल पर, इंटरनेशनल साइंस फेयर्स में, सभी ईयर्स में. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. Now the next point is Richard's successful research in 8th group. Next point to it is he won at country science fair, and next to it is Richard discovered a hornworm. Next is his research on monarch pupa continues, dear students. Next point is his study of cell and DNA. After that, the last point is Richard at Harvard University and his other inclinations. Now I am going to explain you these points in detail. Now the seventh point is Richard's successful research in 8th grade. Actually, he was a genius and he was researching. And he was trying, dear students, he tried to find the reason of viral fever that killed monarch butterflies. He thought that a beetle might carry the virus that caused viral fever. Though this was not true, yet he won the prize for this project. Richard won at country science fair. Richard's next experiment was his victory for the viceroy butterflies. His theory was that viceroy copied monarchs. Viceroy led it to protect themselves from the birds, as birds did not eat monarchs. The project won the first prize in zoology and division and the third prize in the fair. Next point is Richard discovered a hormone, and this gave him a great success. He was eager to learn about the reason behind 12 gold spots on a monarch pupa. He and his friends developed a device to prove that the spots produce a hormone necessary for its full development. It won the first prize in the country fair and the third prize in zoology and the international science and engineering fair. Now going to explain you these points in Hindi. तो रिचर्ड ने बहुत अच्छे से ट्राई किया वायरल फीवर के बारे में खोज करने का कि मोनार्च बटरफ्लाइज जो हैं क्यों मर जाती हैं, और उन्होंने ये भी देखा कि जो वायरल है वायरस वायरल फीवर को क्रिएट करता है जब एक बैटल होता है उनके बीच में, जो इसका ऑब्जेक्ट है और वायरस के बीच में, और इससे ये बिल्कुल सच सिद्ध कर पाए और इन्होंने प्राइज़ को जीता इस प्रोजेक्ट पर। इनका अगला जो एक्सपेरिमेंट था वो था वाइसरॉय बटरफ्लाइज के ऊपर। उनकी जो थ्योरी थी, वाइसरॉय कॉपी करती हैं मोनार्च बटरफ्लाइज को और वाइसरॉय लिड इट टू प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्फ फ्रॉम बर्ड्स, और वो ऐसा इसलिए करती हैं बर्ड्स से अपने आप को बचाने के लिए। लेकिन बर्ड्स क्या करती हैं, वो मोनार्च बटरफ्लाइज को नहीं खाती हैं, और इस प्रोजेक्ट ने भी फर्स्ट प्राइज़ जीता जूलॉजी में, फर्स्ट प्राइज़ जूलॉजी डिवीज़न में एंड थर्ड प्राइज़ इन फेयर। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज रिचर्ड जो है बड़े ही ईगर थे ये जानने के बारे में कि जो 12 गोल्ड स्पॉट्स ऑन मोनार्च पुपा पे होते हैं उसका रीज़न क्या है, और उन्होंने और उनके फ्रेंड ने इसको एक डिवाइस को डेवलप किया ये प्रूव करने के लिए कि जो स्पॉट्स हैं वो हार्मोन से प्रोड्यूस होते हैं और ये नेसेसरी है उनके पूरे डेवलपमेंट के लिए। और इस जो इनकी ये जो रिसर्च थी इसने भी फर्स्ट प्राइज़ जीता कंट्री फेयर में और थर्ड प्राइज़ जीता जूलॉजी इन द इंटरनेशनल साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग फेयर। Now let us move towards the next points. Going to tell you about the next points. The next points are his research on monarch pupa continues. Next point is his study of cell and DNA. Next point is Richard at Harvard and his other inclinations. Now dear students, going to describe you The next point, Richard's research on monarch pupa continues, and he grew cells from the wings of a monarch butterfly. He proved that cells grow into scales of wings, and when they are injected with the hormone from the gold spots, he carried his work on at the Army Laboratory and also in the US Department of Agriculture. And his research on DNA, he believed his duty could tell how cells read their DNA along with the roommate James R. Wong. He just discovered, he discussed and he also worked with him on this idea. Together they wrote a paper, the name of explaining the theory. Next point is Richard at Harvard. He became a graduate with second position in a class of 150 students and became a graduate student researcher. He began experiments to test his theory. His theory might create new ways to prevent types of cancer and other diseases. In this game of researches, he just other added other inclinations. He was a good debater also and a speaker also. He became a good canist and an expert photographer of the nature dear students. His teacher Richard A. Wheeler appreciated him a lot for his good works, for his good deeds, and his will to work hard, his desire to do his best and win among the 150 students of the class. So this was all about the chapter of making of a scientist. Thank you students for watching the video. Please like and subscribe also. Thank you.